I will begin now the sewing from waistline to the crotch, the front pants. I will show you later after I finish it, okay? Kasi pag if zigzag, it will jump like that. So this one is not too much thick, 2 layers only. I switch the number to 5. That the choosing what thickness you want. If number going down, it's for not thick, it's thin. Very nice. This short pant of my project is different to the first one. The packet is different design and this one is garterized. Okay, there's a difference to my first short pant project. This short pant is trending in the Philippines, even in the Western countries. For some other countries, they're using short pant above the knee, even gentlemen. Into the crotch. Just fix that. Then straight. That is the hips, right? So this one I'm figuring out to show to you. Hips, this is the crotch because there is a curve, right? So this one is for the leg attaching to the back. So leave it there. So I will switch my this one for straight, for the edging, so it will look like a built-in edging. I will not change my foot press. It's for zigzag and straight. Sometimes it's loose and not so tight. I'll try. I'm saying if I will not change, there is a problem. It's only for zigzag. Oh my goodness. Okay. I will show you how to change. To change foot press. Change it to straight foot press. like that. Remove the screw. So I already my straight here. I know there will be a problem again. So this is the straight for straight stitching foot press. It's a low shank. So don't forget, be careful on the screw, because when you buy this on the online store, they will not give you screw, only this one. This one is, when I bought the sewing machine, it's already there. When I bought the sewing machine, portable sewing machine, they gave me the zigzag foot press with this screw. The thread was cut. Keep on changing. The needle, the flat one is at the back, okay? For those who are just starting using portable sewing machine. I'm using now my foot pedal. See, it's a smooth, right? Smooth working on the needle. It's not stopping up. Done. See, it looks like a built-in, right? And after that, in the next video, I'll be sewing the back pan. So off the camera, I will trim this. Okay, thank you.